And good evening, everyone. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. In just the past few hours, the Adams County Sheriff released some new information on the shooting that killed Deputy Heath Gum.
So here's what we know right now. Investigators aren't looking for any more suspects. The two people they were looking to talk to have been interviewed and they've been released.
And we also know the suspect in jail accused of the murder was connected to that original disturbance call, and he made his first court appearance today.
And Denver 7's Jennifer Kovaleski was in that courtroom. She joins us now live from the sheriff's substation with the latest. Jen?
And Shannon, the sheriff's office is grieving, and you can still feel that out here today. Before we get to the suspect, I want to talk about this memorial that just keeps growing for Deputy Gum. We have seen hundreds of people come by here, and they just keep coming. At the same time, we got our first look at the man police say is the killer. Now, our cameras were in the courtroom, but the judge asked us not to show the suspect's face because of this ongoing investigation. What I can tell you is that for the most part, 22-year-old Dreyon Deering just sat there and didn't show a lot of emotion, except for when he walked in the courtroom. As that happened, his mom was weeping in the front row, but Deering didn't make eye contact with her or any of his family members. He looked down and appeared to show some regret or embarrassment. His family wouldn't talk to us as they left the courtroom. Fellow deputies were also there today. Deering is facing several counts, including first-degree murder, which means the death penalty is on the table here. Now, about an hour after court ended, Adams County Sheriff Mike McIntosh shared his second update with the media. We didn't learn a whole lot of new information other than what Shannon and Ann just mentioned, but the sheriff did read a letter from the Gum family where they thanked the community for their outpouring of love and support. The sheriff also talked about how difficult this loss has been for his agency.
The Adams County Sheriff's Office right now is grieving. We are hurting. We're doing an investigation. We're running hard. We're trying to make sure that we're covering all of the appropriate information that we need to cover.
We also want to share with you something else that we learned during that briefing. On top of the loss of Deputy Gum, we learned that the sheriff's office, 3 other retired staff members have recently passed away, and they have 3 different funerals to attend on top of planning the memorial for Deputy Gum. So as you can imagine, the sheriff's office is hurting, and we don't expect to get any new information until next week. Reporting live in Commerce City tonight, Jennifer Kovaleski, Denver 7.